Mount Sinabung update, huge eruption in pictures of the Indonesian volcano eruption. Mount Sinabung eruption, incredible live images show the Indonesian volcano eruption. Mount Sinabung volcano in Indonesia erupted on February 19, sending a cloud of ash approximately 5,000 meters into the air. Look through these incredible images to see the plume of thick volcanic ash hang in the air following the eruption. The Indonesian volcano burst back into action in 2010 and has been highly active ever since. It was previously dormant for 400 years. These latest pictures show ash and debris spewing from the volcano in the Karo area of North Sumatra. The National Disaster Mitigation Agency have reported no fatalities at this time. Pictures show Indonesian children going to school with volcanic ash in the air and people stopping to take pictures of the natural phenomenon. Sinabung is currently one of 3 erupting volcanoes in Indonesia.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.